Hello, Class 9 Explorers. I'm Ava, your friendly AI guide, and this is Ria. Today we're going on a little adventure to discover what artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about. Ready? Let's go! So, what is AI? It's like giving machines a brain to think and learn, a little bit like us. Artificial intelligence is when computers or robots figure things out on their own, like solving puzzles or recognizing your voice. You've already met AI without knowing it. When you ask your phone about the weather or say play my favorite song, that's AI listening and helping you out. It's like having a super smart assistant. AI isn't just for fun, it's a lifesaver too. In hospitals, AI helps doctors find diseases faster by looking at X-rays or scans. It's like a superhero sidekick for health. Guess what? AI can even help you learn. It powers apps that explain math, suggest books, or quiz you for exams. It's like a teacher who's always ready to help. AI is all about making life easier, smarter, and more fun. From games to medicine to school, it's changing the world, one clever idea at a time. And who knows? Maybe you'll create the next big AI someday. That's it for today, friends. Keep asking questions and exploring the magic of AI. See you next time for more adventures.